Hello all, this is Dr. Deepali Meher. In this video, we are going to see MCQs for online exam preparation from Database Technology subject, Chapter 6 and Chapter 7, that is version stamps and MapReduce. Let us start. The first question is, browsing a product catalog, choosing a bottle of Talisker at good price, filling in credit card information and confirming the order are the examples of dash. Options are A. System transactions, B. Bank transactions, C. Business transactions, and D. Multiple transactions. And the correct option is option C. Business transactions. So all these are examples of business transactions. Next question is, dash is a field that changes every time the underlying data in the record changes. Options are A. Replication factor, B. Transaction, C. Process stamp, and D. Version stamp. The correct option is option D. Version stamp. Version stamp is a field that changes every time the underlying data in the record changes. Next question is, counter, hashing, GUID and timestamp are the techniques to create dash. Options are A. Version stamps, B. Vertical stamps, C. Horizontal stamps, and D. Transactions. And the correct option is option A. Version stamps. So, counter, hashing, GUID and timestamp are the techniques to create version stamps. Next question is, dash uses a combination of counter and content hash. Which database uses combination of counter and content hash? The options are A. Neo4j, B. MongoDB, C. RavenDB, and D. CouchDB. The correct answer is answer D, option D, CouchDB. CouchDB database uses a combination of counter and content hashing. Next question is, dash is the simplest form of version stamp. And the options are A. Timestamp, B. GUID, C. Counter, and D. Hashing. And the correct option is option C. Counter. Counter is the simplest form of version stamp for creation of version stamp. Next question is, dash is the simplest but problematic form of version stamp. It can be simplest, but it will become problematic to manage. So what are the options? A. Timestamp, B. GUID, C. Counter, and D. Hashing. And the correct option is A. Timestamp. So timestamp is the simplest but problematic form of version stamp. Next question is, dash NoSQL system is a special form of version stamp which we call a vector stamp. So in which NoSQL system we are having a special form of version stamp that are called as vector stamp? Options are A. Peer-to-peer, B. Master slave, C. Replication, and D. Sharding. And the correct option is option A. Peer-to-peer. Peer-to-peer NoSQL system is a special form of version stamps in which we are calling that version stamp as a vector stamp. Next question is, in vector stamp, dash technique is used. Options are A. Timestamp, B. GUID, C. Counter, and D. Hashing. And the correct option is option C. Counter. So in vector stamp, counter technique is used. Next question is, with dash systems, a vector of version stamps allows user to detect when different nodes have conflicting updates. When different nodes are having conflicting update. So options are A, client server, B, centralized, C, distributed, and D, network. And the correct option is option C, distributed. So with distributed system, a vector of version stamps allows user to detect when different nodes are having conflicting updates. Next question is, a MapReduce pattern operates on dash. So it operates on what? Options are A, client, B, server, C, memory, and D, cluster. The correct option is option D, cluster. So a MapReduce pattern operates on cluster. Next question is, dash is a pattern to allow computations to be parallelized over a cluster. Options are A, replication, B, sharding, C, locking, and D, MapReduce. And the correct option is option D, MapReduce. MapReduce is a pattern to allow computations to be parallelized over a cluster. Next question is, dash views can be updated through incremental MapReduce operations. And the options are A, materialized, B, simple, C, complex, and D, transactional. And the correct option is option A. Materialized views can be updated through incremental MapReduce operations. Next question is, dash are the two important tasks of MapReduce algorithm. So which are the two important tasks of MapReduce algorithms? Options are A, MPReduce, B, mapping reliable, C, MapReduce, and D, map reliable. And the correct option is C, MapReduce. So MapReduce are the two important tasks of MapReduce algorithms. Next question is, dash number of stages required to perform MapReduce. So how many number of stages user is required to perform MapReduce operations? Options are A, 2, B, 3, C, 4, and D, 5. And the correct option is B, 3. So 3 stages required to perform MapReduce. Thank you dear students for watching. If you have not subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe. Thank you.